Let me read this statement. Well, the Philippine National Police categorically and vehemently deny the information na na-receive ng ating mahal na Senador, General Panfilo Lacson, that we have misused the NTF LCAC funds by using it to conduct census in the different barangays nationwide. The PNP is not conducting nor instructing our chiefs of police to ask 30% of barangay residents to give their names, contact numbers, and addresses for census. We have no use for any census. In support of the directives of Executive Order Number 70 and the whole of the nation approach, the PNP implemented the intensified cleanliness program, cleanliness in the office, cleanliness in the ranks, and cleanliness in the community. Another approach that we have done is to deepen our police community relations program by working with different communities nationwide, including NGOs and advocacy groups. We are promoting cooperation and coordination between the PNP and the community to improve our services and work hand in hand with members of the community for our anti-drug and anti-criminality efforts, as well as protecting the community, especially the youth, from being recruited by communist fronts. Everything that is being done by the PNP in relation to NTF LCAC funds is above board, and we welcome any investigation that may be conducted. The PNP units, down to its lowest units, the police stations, are conducting humanitarian assistance and related disaster relief operations through its Barangayanihan Health and Food Bank, which is our grassroots engagement to address the devastating social and economic impact of COVID-19 pandemic and also natural disasters. All of these programs are in accordance with NAPOLCOM Resolution 2015-342, or Resolution to empower the Philippine National Police to perform its role as a community and service-oriented agency through the adoption of the community and service-oriented policing system involving the local chief executives, the PNP, and the community as mandated under Section 2 of RA 6975 as amended by RA 8551. Community mobilization, which has been done by the CPP, NPA, NDF, and that helped in growing its mass base. And no one questioned them, and in fact simply ignored them. Now that it is the PNP conducting community mobilization to foster our relations, improve cooperation and coordination so we can better serve the people, promote anti-drugs and anti-criminality programs, engage force multipliers, and protect the communities, there are some perceived ill-meaning individuals and groups making it an issue. At yun po ang posible na impormasyon na naparating sa ating mahal na senador. The PNP is not disheartened by such unfounded statements. We know that they are by people who would not want us to succeed, especially the fronts of CPP and PNDF. For our success will make people know and see that they have been deceiving people all along to advance their interest. For the only way they would be relevant is to make it appear that the government is inept and indifferent to the needs of the people. The government and the PNP is not in the business of promoting our success and activities to help the people. We only work and work. We are not after any applause or commendations. But let me assure everyone, maganda po ang programa ng PNP at direkto po itong nakakatulong sa mga tao. At sa palagay namin, panahon na para maipakita lahat ito sa tao para hindi naman ang gusto lang i-highlight lagi sa news na masama ang ginagawa ng iilan na lumalabas at ginagamit ang PNP na punching bag ng iba.